everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is time for, yes you heard it, another Dollar Tree haul. I think I got some great items, especially for the summer. I am really hardcore into seasonal items, so we're gonna see what I got. The first thing I want to share with you guys is Mother's Day. Yes, it says Happy Mother's Day. We are spending time with my mother-in-law this weekend, and I thought, why not get her a balloon? She really doesn't like a lot of stuff, but hey, it was buck, and I love getting balloons. It's the thought that counts. So I also want to say thank you, or thank you. I also want to say Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers that watch my channel. It's awesome. I'm going to be couponing for you guys and sharing some deals, and I'm hoping this doesn't pop in my basement because I got an open ceiling. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got at the Dollar Tree. Now, I did get the stuff earlier in the week, so I was super excited. Ben was with me, so that's one thing that I was super excited for. He was actually a pretty good boy, but I got some great finds and I'm still on a hunt for some other items. So the first thing I found was bath bombs. My son is obsessed with bath bombs. The only bad thing is there's 3 in here, but I don't care. This is cherry. And you can't really smell it, but I'm assuming, you know, it'll work. So I ended up, I don't even know how much I got. I got 3 of these, of the cherry blossom, because why not? Why not, you know? So Ben loves these. He just thinks he likes to play with them, and I'm like, go for it. If you're gonna, he enjoys taking a bath as it is, but I'm like, if you want to play in the bath some more, go for it. So I love those, and the ones that we got before, he's already almost used all those up. Husband said a friend saw this ketchup somewhere, and he's like, can you get it? But it's hot and spicy tomato ketchup, and it's got Tabasco sauce in it. So if you guys really like spicy stuff, I'm not hardcore about spicy stuff, but husband wanted to try it. He's pretty excited for this, and this doesn't expire for like a year. So I'm like, if you want me to get it, I'll get it for you. Now this is kind of funny. I found this shopping, and it's kind of a gay gift. Like, my mom's birthday is coming up, plus Mother's Day. They're like back to back. And I feel like she always talks about like the stupidest things, and I'm always laughing. So I thought this would be a great gift to give her, so don't judge. But I ended up getting the knockoff PooPourri. This is Poo Be Gone. I'm like, I saw these and I just started laughing. I'm like, oh my god, I have to get these for my mom. So one flavor is vanilla, or lavender vanilla. The other one is fresh citrus, and then the other one's lavender vanilla. So I thought, I'm so getting these for my mom, and I thought maybe get one for myself. I don't know how well they work, but the PooPourri, you know, that stuff's expensive. They've gone down in price over the years, but it's like, I don't know. I thought this would be a great gay gift just to give to her, and I'm like, I'll totally get it. And then when I was shopping, the cashier's like, ooh, what's that? And I'm just like, yeah. She's like, oh my god, I gotta get that. So had to get that for my mom as a gift for Mother's Day / her birthday. The next deal, I keep forgetting I'm doing my Dollar Tree haul for you guys, not my couponing. The next thing I got is I kind of want to do some more, you know, 4th of July decorations. So June's coming up, which I got to put my June decorations up. But I'm like, I really want to do like the 4th of July theme. So I thought this wreath would be actually kind of cute. I want to make a couple different wreaths to maybe sell, see if I can get anybody to buy them. But I got this, it's got the receipt in it, but I got this one. I thought this was super cute. It is made out of plastic, but, you know, it'll do. I also got the decorative bows. Now, I'm not a big fan of this color, but a lot of people probably are. And I ended up getting some matching ribbon that matches it, so I thought maybe I could do like a little wreath and then have that hang down, all to kind of be just like one color. So I got that bow, that bow, and then I ended up getting 3 of these ribbon wreaths, or ribbons, and then I ended up just getting the white one. Now, I don't think this one matches it. I was trying to figure out if it would match it, but I'm not 100% positive. So I kind of have an idea, and yes, I will be making DIYs when I have no idea. I'm just super swamped lately to show DIYs, so it's one of these days I'm just going to be like, no couponing, no hanging out with anybody. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. We are having I'm in the middle of having a garage sale right now, and I had signs for it. Well, it is 40 degrees, rainy, and super cold, and my signs just got destroyed in the rain. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to get some of these and see how well they work. If maybe these would work a little bit better. I did like the pink ones because they stuck out a little bit better. But I'm like, you know what, I'll get these and see how well they do. So these are going to be using tomorrow morning because my other ones have gone bad. Let's see what else I got of my goodies. I got receipts everywhere. I found these, which I was super excited for. They were just the regular Patriotic Stars. You got the red, the white, and the blue. I don't know if I like it the way it is. I'm not really into this kind of material. But I thought maybe I could take it apart and kind of make something like that. Or I just might leave it one as is and just kind of figure it out. But I got 2 of them just in case I want to take it apart. And some of this stuff, it's like, should I grab it or find it later? And like, I go to so many Dollar Trees, I don't want to like, you know, I'll be like, oh, I wish I grabbed that. So, had to grab those. I found this cute little sign that says, Liberty, Blessings, America, America, Land of the Free, USA, 4th of July, Freedom, God Bless America, United, and then it says Stars and Stripes, and then Forever USA. I thought this was kind of cute. I'm putting a lot of stuff on my mantle, you know, as the summer is and stuff, and I thought this would be pretty cute to have, you know, after the summer stuff goes away, I can put this up. And I've been finding different stuff at different stores, so I had to get that. I ended up finding this one that says God Bless America, Home Sweet Home. I thought those were super cute. I'm really like into decorating my mantle, and I'll probably be making a video showing you guys how I decorate for 4th of July, because not many people do, and it's something kind of cool to see. So, loving that. I did find this USA sign. I'm dropping everything. I did find the USA sign. I thought that'd be kind of cute. I really like the glitter. I like the colors that they have in it. It really pops. So, had to go and get that sign. And then my last Dollar Tree haul, I ended up wanting another one of these circular signs that says Let Freedom Ring. So I got another one while I saw it. So I thought I might make something with a wreath with that. So there was that. And then there's a Band-Aid in here. My kid like got hurt and put it in the bag. But I saw, this is super cute. Some of the signs that I've been getting at the Dollar Tree, I have like a space between my 2 closet doors. I thought this is kind of cute to put all that stuff in there. And I thought this would be kind of cute to add to it. But I got a little unicorn, and it says magic is all around us. And it's kind of like a 3D picture. They had some other cute ones, but I really like this one because it kind of matches the colors that I got. I got the purple, the turquoise, and like that green. So I had to get that. So husband and I will be hanging that up on our walls in our bedroom. Just all about, you know, glittery and good relaxing stuff. Okay, I found another video. I'm hardcore about going to Dollar Trees and finding videos, but I found this movie called White Bird in a Blizzard. I've seen this before. It was on Netflix for a long time. I really like one of the actors in this movie. The movie's kind of messed up. I mean, if you guys seen it, you guys know what I understand, but it's a decent movie. I wouldn't say it's one of my favorites, but I'm going to get it for $1 because it's cheaper than renting it. I mean, if you guys think about it, you rent a movie for like $1 or so. I get Netflix, but if you guys rent a movie for like $1 or so and then you gotta return it, pretty much this is the same price and you get to keep it. I will take that anytime. I'm also trying to find some snacks, and I found somebody who did a haul of these, and I'm like, you know what, I want to try these to see how well they are. But they are the Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs brand, but they are chili cheese crunchy crinkle fries. I thought, I'm going to try those. They don't expire till September 7th. So I thought, you know what, husband and I could try that. Plus it's great little snacks to have when we go on vacation in a little bit. I found these. I was pretty stoked to find these. They're baked cheese fries. So they're like cheese fries. I'm really hoping I like these because if they do, I am going back to get more. I'm hoping they have some more. But these are really good. There's only 3 in here. And this is made by the Boulder company, so I had to get that. Found another bath bomb. I ended up getting the Lavender Dreams, so I could not pass that up. And then I also found the vanilla and coconut. So Ben is going to have a great time while taking baths. I found this hair scrunchie. I use like the small ones, and I feel like it pulls my hair a lot. And like the husband's been braiding my hair at night just so I don't get so much knots. But I thought, you know what, I could always go with more of a softer scrunchie, and this is the actual Scrunchie brand. They have other ones. They have ones that like match your hair, but I liked ones that I don't really care what color they are. But these are really, really, really soft, so could not pass that up. Then I found these candles, and oh my goodness, you guys, these candles are awesome. It is strawberry lemonade iced tea. I love the smell of strawberries. I love it. Don't like strawberries, but I love the smell of it. And Ben's like, Mom, smell this candle, and I'm just like, oh my goodness. I could smell these all day long. I know I'm not trying to annoy you guys, but these are so, I mean, they're not cute, but they smell so good. So I'm ready to light those up. I ended up finding this book. They had a couple different like paperback books, but this one really caught my eye. But this one's Penguins Can't Fly, and I love, love, love penguins. I think they're super cute. I could watch them all day long, but this is a cute little book, and I thought this would be a great book to read to Ben. He's been really into books, and you cannot pass up books for $1. So had to get that book because it was just all about a penguin. You guys know that. I found these food trays. Now, I don't know if I'm going to use them like crazy, but I thought these would be great for when Ben gets a little bit older. We do eat on our back porch a lot, and I thought maybe for like, you know, this summer if we want to get a couple things here and there, we don't have to worry about all of our food getting all mixed up, and these are microwave safe. I don't recall these being in any other colors, so I just got, you know, 4 of them, even though we're a family of 3, but it's nice to have a set of 4, so I could not pass these up. But it's just a lunch tray, 5 separate compartments. Good for just whatever. It says wash thoroughly before use. It is microwave safe. Do not microwave for more than 3 minutes. I don't know if it's dishwasher safe. Doesn't look, okay. Oh, you can use it in the dishwasher, but it's got to be on the top rack. So, okay, good to know on that. So, yes, that was my Dollar Tree haul. I think I did pretty good. I got some great stuff. I'm really trying to focus on stuff that I could actually use and stuff, you know, I want to try. I really want to start sharing with you guys more food deals at Dollar Tree. So I wanted to share with you guys that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more Dollar Tree videos. I post a Dollar Tree video every single Saturday, and I'm super excited for when we go on vacation. The husband says we get to go to the Dollar Tree. So when we go on vacation, I'm going to actually be filming a Dollar Tree video of things I got when I went there. So that's not until the beginning of June. We're gonna go and just get like snacks and stuff that we can use at the hotel, so we don't have to worry about bringing them back, because every single Dollar Tree is different, and I am just addicted to Dollar Tree. I might do a shop with me video while we're down there. So there's that. I'm gonna do other shop with me videos while I'm down there, just because I won't be couponing for that whole week. I am taking a week's vacation for couponing. I know it's crazy, but you guys know what to do. Click that like button, and I will see you guys all next week Saturday for another Dollar Tree haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.